Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove background from any of your videos in CapCut PC. So you can select your video here. Now you can actually remove background from items, from either objects. I'll show you that later. So go to remove background and select auto removal. You can also do it with other items now. For instance, this clock here. Select auto removal as well. You can even add the strokes to it. Can this not work? I don't know why it's not working, but it worked yesterday with this pizza like that, and you can enable the strokes as well and add in an outline to it if you'd like to. But that is pretty much how you can remove background from your videos or photos in CapCut PC. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!